Hello guys, I am back, and today I am welcoming you all with not only one car, but with two absolute monsters. And also with a BMW for the first time on our channel. So in today's video, I will be comparing the Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe with the all-new BMW X6 M Competition, and we will be comparing the design, exterior, interior, performance, price, and of course the sound. So let's get on with it and start the comparison. And from my point of view, I will not be looking at this from the Mercedes-Benz fanboy point of view that I normally have, but I will try to be as objective as possible and tell you exactly which car I prefer and why. So let's start with the numbers, because this is where these two cars become really interesting. With the GLE63 S Coupe, we are talking about a 4.0-liter V, 8-biturbo AMG engine producing around 612 horsepower, while with the BMW X6 M Competition, we have a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 BMW M engine, producing around 625 horsepower. So in terms of horsepower, the point definitely goes to the BMW X6 M Competition because it has slightly more power. But when it comes to acceleration, both cars are extremely impressive because both can do the 0 to 100 km/h sprint in around 3.8 seconds. So at this point, we basically have a draw. And honestly, that is exactly what you would expect from two cars like these, because they are huge luxury SUVs, but they can accelerate like proper sports cars, which is absolutely crazy when you think about it. And now let's also talk about the price, because this is another important factor. Both the Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe and the BMW X6 M Competition are very expensive performance SUVs, and depending on the market, options and specifications, the final price can become extremely high, especially when you start adding carbon fiber parts, special wheels and performance upgrades. And that is exactly what we have on these two cars today. Because as you can see, both of them have been upgraded with parts from LARTE Design, and we have a lot of carbon fiber components on both cars, including the bonnet, grille, front splitter, and other exterior parts. And we also have special LARTE Design wheels on both cars. So special thanks to LARTE Design for letting me film both of these beautiful cars. And if you are interested in upgrading your BMW or Mercedes, they have a lot of body parts, carbon fiber components, wheels and styling upgrades. So make sure you check out the link in the description below. And now let's start talking about the front of both cars. First of all, we have the GLE63 S Coupe. And honestly, this is a very beautiful and very decent looking car. But at the same time, it is still extremely brutal because of that AMG V8 character. We have the Panamericana style grille. Because when you look at this BMW from the front, it looks absolutely raw, aggressive and sporty. The headlights look extremely modern. The grille is huge, and the entire front gives you this feeling that the car is angry and ready to attack. And with all the carbon fiber parts, it becomes even more aggressive, especially the carbon fiber bonnet, grille, and front splitter. And when you look at both cars next to each other, the BMW definitely has a more dramatic and sporty face, while the Mercedes is more elegant and luxurious. So for the front design, I have to give the point to the X6 M Competition. But please don't get me wrong. I still absolutely love the GLE. It just depends on what kind of character you want from your SUV. And now let's move to the side profile, because this is also quite interesting. Both cars have a similar coupe SUV shape with that beautiful sloping roofline and wide body. And of course, we have to give credit to BMW, because the X6 was one of the first cars to really establish this SUV coupe segment, and Mercedes later entered the segment with the GLE Coupe. But honestly, in my eyes, Mercedes managed to make the concept look extremely attractive as well. So both manufacturers deserve credit. And when you look at the wheels, we have special LARTE Design wheels on both cars, with the BMW getting these very
aggressive performance wheels and the
Mercedes getting a beautiful multi-spoke design. And personally, I think both wheels suit their respective cars very well. So here I would not give a clear winner, because the BMW looks more sporty while the Mercedes looks more elegant. And now we come to something very important in my eyes, which is the rear design, because the rear can completely change the way you see a car. And first of all, let's talk about the BMW, because I think the X6 M Competition looks extremely wide from the rear. Very sporty and very aggressive, especially with the carbon fiber performance parts and the wide stance. But at the same time, I have to say that I still don't completely understand the latest BMW design language, because the rear looks very different from what we were used to with previous generations of the X6, and some people love it while others don't, and I'm somewhere in the middle. But when I look at the GLE63 S Coupe, I honestly find the rear extremely beautiful and attractive. The stance is perfect, the sharp lines look very modern, and the coupe shape works extremely well from this angle. And with the additional LARTE Design rear diffuser and carbon fiber parts, it looks even more aggressive without losing that elegant Mercedes character. So for me, the point for the rear definitely goes to the GLE63 S Coupe. And now I want to know what you guys think. Which rear do you prefer? The BMW X6 M Competition or the Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe? Because this is definitely going to be a matter of personal taste. And honestly, when it comes to the BMW interior, there are many things that I really like. The materials feel premium, the quality is excellent, and the driving position feels exactly how you would expect from an M car. And I also really like the carbon fiber details in the sporty seats because they give you that proper performance feeling when you sit inside. And the infotainment system is also very easy to use. But at the same time, I have to be honest and say that BMW interiors have not changed dramatically in terms of their overall design language. And sometimes when you sit inside a new BMW, you still feel like you are sitting inside a BMW from a few years ago, which is not necessarily a bad thing because BMW is trying to keep its traditional, driver-focused identity. But compared with the Mercedes, the interior feels less futuristic. And now let's jump into the GLE63 S Coupe because, guys, you have to agree with me on this one. The interior is just absolutely beautiful. I really love the futuristic design with the large digital displays, ambient lighting, and the overall shape of the dashboard. Everything feels modern and premium. And when you turn on the ambient lights at night, the whole cabin becomes a completely different experience. And then we have the AMG steering wheel, leather details, AMG branding, and all of these small touches that make the interior feel special. And for me, this is easily a 10 out of 10 interior when it comes to the overall look and atmosphere. However, I will say that the BMW seats feel more sporty and aggressive compared with the Mercedes seats. And if you are looking for a more driver-focused environment, the BMW has a very strong argument. But if we are talking about the complete interior design, luxury, technology, and ambience, then the point definitely goes to the GLE63 S Coupe. And now, since we are already inside the cars, I think it is time to do something that everybody has been waiting for, which is the startup and exhaust sound test. So let's start with the Mercedes. I am going to sit inside, lower one window, and we are going to start it up with an emotional start. So let's get ready. 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Listen to that beautiful AMG V8 rumble. You can instantly hear that deep V8 character even though the car has modern emissions equipment. And when the exhaust comes alive, you can hear those beautiful pops and bangs. And honestly, this is exactly what I want from an AMG V8. It has character. It sounds deep and powerful, and it does not try to hide the fact that there is a massive V8 sitting underneath the bonnet. And now let's move over to the BMW X6 M Competition because it is time to hear what the M car sounds like. One thing I really like about the BMW is that we also have an exhaust button, so you can change the character of the exhaust and make it louder when you want to. And now let's start it up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that is definitely different. The BMW has a sharper and more aggressive sound, and when you turn the exhaust mode on, it becomes much louder. But personally, I don't think it has the same deep V8 character that we get from the Mercedes. And honestly, I am curious to know what you guys think because sound is extremely subjective. Some people will prefer the aggressive BMW sound while others will prefer the deep AMG rumble. So now let's also listen to the BMW from the outside because inside the car you get one impression, but outside it can sound completely different. So let's go outside and listen to it. Okay, that is definitely loud. And now it is time for the Mercedes. So let's listen to the GLE63 S Coupe from the outside. And honestly, guys, this is by far one of my favorite parts of the whole comparison. Because the moment you start the GLE, you immediately hear that proper V8 rumble. And then when you give it some revs, you get those beautiful pops and bangs. And in my eyes, the sound is completely different compared with the BMW. The AMG just has that special character that makes you want to keep listening to it. And for me, this is another clear point for the GLE63 S Coupe. But again, I want to know what you guys think. Which sound do you prefer? The BMW X6 M Competition or the Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe? And now we have basically reached the end of today's comparison. So let's talk about the final result. Because if we look at the whole package, both of these cars are absolutely incredible. The BMW gives you more horsepower, a very aggressive front design, sporty seats, and a more performance-focused character, while the Mercedes gives you a beautiful rear design, a futuristic and luxurious interior, an extremely comfortable driving experience, and of course that amazing AMG V8 sound. And if I personally had to choose one of these two cars for myself, I would honestly go for the Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe. And the biggest reason is the sound, because every time I hear that V8 start up and those pops and bangs, it gives me a feeling that the BMW simply does not give me in the same way. But I have to say that the BMW X6 M Competition is also an incredible machine, especially if you prefer a more aggressive design and a more performance-oriented character. And I think that is what makes this comparison so interesting, because there is no car here that is simply better in every single category. Instead, they both have different personalities. The BMW feels more aggressive, more sporty and more focused on performance, while the Mercedes feels more luxurious, more elegant and more dramatic. And that is why it ultimately comes down to personal taste. If you want the aggressive BMW face, the M Performance character, and slightly more horsepower, then the X6 M Competition is an amazing choice. But if you want the beautiful AMG design, futuristic interior, luxury, and that incredible V8 sound, then the GLE63 S Coupe would be my choice. And now I want to leave the final question to you guys. Which one would you choose if you had the money to buy only one? Would you go for the BMW X6 M Competition, or would you choose the Mercedes-AMG GLE63 S Coupe? Let me know your answer in the comment section below, because I really want to see which one wins according to you. And if you enjoyed this comparison and want to see more videos like this on the channel, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. And if you are interested in the LARTE Design carbon fiber parts, wheels and body upgrades that you saw on both cars today, make sure you check out the link in the description. And once again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your support. I hope you enjoyed seeing these two completely different performance SUVs together. And I am looking forward to seeing all of you again in the next video. So until then, have an amazing day. Drive safe, and I will see you in the next one. X.